the answer of
Oh yes, it's 360 minus the, because
46 minus
correct. Yeah.
35.
Yes. Yeah. So by the way,
But
this
I don't
angle is
think you
called
need
the
to put in 1
reflex.
dp yet, because if it's still working, it should be in 3 dp, I think.
Oh yes. So therefore, you just pick this for the answer. So 360 minus the, when you is the intermediate step, you just take 45, 91. Actually, I don't have to round it. I don't even I don't even need to round it.
Yeah.
To waste my time. Yes. So this is the answer, and then after that you have to round it over here, right? All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Then when the yacht sails along, so what is this? So
Hovering at a height of 0.7 or directly above A. View along these. That means
sorry.
the smallest angle is at point C.
Sorry, I think I messed up my zooming in and out. Sorry. So it says, yeah. So maybe you try this on your own, see if you can get it.
Okay. The angle curvature. C is a helicopter. I need to find this. So I have, what do I have? Oh, then we have the height. So it's tangent of this is equals to this over this, which is
Over A, right?
0.75 over
Over A,
C.
not the CH. Your CH is a C, right? This is your C. This is your adjacent, right?
Okay.
Yeah. This is your opposite. So it should be these two, right?
Yeah. Tangent.
Possible angle elevation
Theta.
of.
Is I found it already, right? AC should be.
And by hold on, find the smallest angle of elevation of the helicopter when view along the path we see. The smallest, so the longest the better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you pick C, right? That's why you pick point C, right? Here.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So when you do tangent positive, then I think you should get two answers as well. Then you just reject because you want the smaller, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Next. Very good. So this question is on trigonometry.
Yeah.
Sine rule, cosine rule. Okay. Good. Nice. Next. Just a note to you. Probably you want to use the 4.9296 three significant figure because for intermediate step. So to
Yeah.
preserve the accuracy, right?
Okay. Or maybe now log question.
You can actually extract the picture out. Thank you so much. Oh, log question, nice. We have not talked about log for a long time.
Yeah. Have log.
Okay. Actually, for this question, right, is they give you a log, and then you transform it into a simple equation. Then they give you in exponential, then you transform it into another simple equation, and then you solve this simultaneously. If I'm not wrong.
The log minus should be divided at.
Yeah, this is called division rule. Oh, by the way, probably I should caution you because when it comes to logarithm, it's better to write down the product rule and the the division rule. I'm going to tell you why. Do you know why? Why is better to write it down?
No.
Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Okay, because our mind always plays tricks on us. Okay, and sometimes if I give you like, if you don't write down the formula, and by the way, when you write down the formula, right, it's good that you test it on the spot. Okay, what do I mean by that? You just give yourself log 10 minus log 5. See if you can get log 10 over 5 is 2. Right? See if this is valid.
Okay.
Can you help me check? And I'm
Minus
going to tell you
log
why
5.
it's good to write it down.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, good. So therefore our formulas, that means I remember the formulas correctly. Okay, so these two are the formulas. And if you don't write it down, you know, sometimes when we see these, you know what we will do?
Write a lot.
We will write this. And there is no such formula, you know.
Oh.
Okay? I don't know, maybe you might not make this mistake, but before you make this mistake, you better write down the formula. Okay? Like it's like a precaution, you know. When you write down the formula, it's like a precaution. Alright? So once you write down this formula, then you can see that, hey, I have this minus this, so it's dy. Okay? It's a precaution.
Okay.
Okay? Then yes, then you have this. So therefore you have this, like I say, this equation one, simple one is 8x plus 22 over the y minus 1 is equal to 2, right? You just pick the yeah.
You can make
But
it even simplified.
yeah,
Right?
so this is still not the most ideal one, so you can still continue to make it the most ideal one. Yeah, go ahead, please. But please bear in mind, it's good that you write down the formulas, so you don't make silly mistakes like some other students.
Okay.
This is the precaution, the precautionary measure. Get me? Probably I help you simplify this further. Then yeah.
Wait, there's a formula for Elon Y, right?
Elon Y. I thought Elon Musk. Sorry, Elon Y. Then they just cancel each other.
Oh, it's just one?
Yeah, it just Y.
It's just Y to the power of Y?
No, Elon Y give you Y.
Oh.
Yes, because E and lon they cancel each other, and therefore if you have 10, okay, you can test, you know.
Just become...
So okay, so I always like to do things on the spot to test my understanding or test whether it's correct or not. So you can probably just try this, see if it's equal to 2.
Then is this just X squared? Then
This one looks like not.
X squared.
Yes,
Square moves out.
yes, yes, yes. So this is your 3. If you simplify, then this is your y equals to x squared. So you can just equate it. Is a what? Wait, no, it's a quadratic equation. You end up with a quadratic equation equals to 12. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals to, so it's x minus plus 2, x minus 6. So we just continue. So x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 6, and then you have to test it by putting it inside. I think you need to reject your this because you cannot have ln minus 2.
Okay, yeah.
Make sense?
Yep. And from there find x or y,
Yes.
which is
So you reject
substitute x.
because x cannot be negative. Okay, so y is equal to 6 square is 36, right? Okay, good, done. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so guess when you do logarithm, so bear in mind with the negative number. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, quite easy. So if next time if you're not sure, right, you just like give yourself a simple example and see if it's valid. See if you get 2. Then you know that whether you get y is the answer.
Okay.
Okay. Next, yeah. So extract another page that you want to talk about.
Mm, wait. Question 2 is just comparing coefficient, right? I don't really want to. If it's just comparing coefficient, I think it's quite easy. I just I just want to know if it's actually just comparing coefficient.
Which one?
So question 2, page 1.
Is given that it goes to this for all real value, find the value of ABC. Yep, you have to open the bracket, then after that by comparison left and right. Yeah.
Okay. I don't think we need to do that, right?
Okay, by the way, I think this is a very stupid way to do question 2. There is a smarter way. Probably you want to talk about it.
Oh, okay
Okay.
then.
So okay, let's talk about question 2. So I will just do it on I don't know. Let's try. So like I say, are you following? Okay, good. So like I say, right, if you open the brackets for the so basically this is your left hand side, and then if you open the bracket and get your right hand side, yes, you can do by comparison, but I'm not going to do that way. Okay, I'm going to do it like try to do it in a smarter way. Can you see that you have this x plus 1 and then x minus b, and then you
Yeah.
have this this, and then you have this. Like, what about can we let sorry. So you need to find the value of ABC, right? A, B, C. So in a way, is you need to form 3 equations because 3 unknowns, 3 equations are needed to find 3 unknowns, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now probably you want to try let x be negative 1. So if you let x be negative 1, right, then your right hand side is going to be, this one is gone, so it's 0, so it's gone. So you only left with 5 minus 1 minus b, then minus 1 plus 4, then plus c, then minus 1 plus 4. Then you continue to simplify this. So you get, this will give you 3, this will give you 3. So you get 15 minus 1 minus b plus 3c. Then you continue, so it's minus 15 minus 15b plus 3c. Okay, so one equation. Next, let x. I think you see the beauty of this approach already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you let x be negative 4, right? Then this one is gone. This one is gone. So you're left with this one. Sorry, I make a mistake. No, I did not. Okay, so this one is negative 4, right? Into it, so I get negative
Wait.
4a.
To form the second equation, you have to do it on the left side as well. The
Yeah,
x
yeah,
is a
we
negative one.
need because if you get it into this, then you will get a value here. So can you help me out?
Okay.
Well, I focus on the right hand side. Yeah.
Mm.
So negative 4a. Then this is negative negative 3, negative 4, negative b. So wait, I'm confused. Okay, good. So this is negative 12a. Then this is negative 48a. Then this is plus 12ab. Okay. Then what is this? AB. Okay, good. Then you test B. Okay. So you let. So this one is gone. This one is also gone. So you only left with C, B plus 4C. Yep, done.
Wait, hold on.
No problem. Or actually, I can test x equal to 0 also. Then this one is gone. And this one is, sorry. So this will be 20 minus 20b plus 4c. Yeah, good. Yeah, I think by doing this, too, or maybe by just having this and this one, you can get the B and C already. Does it make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So once you get B and C, and then you can quickly get your A here. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, you
Okay.
just pick and choose. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Nice. Yep. So yes. So instead of doing the comparison, then you can also approach it in this manner. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Next.
Question.
You just extract it out, then you just extract the page out, then we will see the value of that question. See if it's worth. Okay, nice.
Wait, no, I think this question is quite simple actually. It's just
Yes.
tangent.
Tokaso, yeah.
Yeah.
But they ask for the exact value. How?
Wait, isn't it just take the tangent? Oh no, exact value that one.
Yeah.
The quadratic formula, right?
Yeah. You can try the quadratic formula, or you can do it the completing square way. Do you know the completing square is also the quadratic formula?
It is.
Okay, so it's okay. So yeah, it's good that we explore. We explore further. Time to explore further. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are not only looking at the solution. We try to explore further. Okay. So how do you get the completing square? So it's h minus 4, right? Square it, right?
Yeah.
And then you have the plus 16 here. So in order to have minus 15, you have a plus 16. So it's minus 31. Yep. So it's equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so therefore you have this thing is 31, right? Then after that
Yeah.
you have this. So you have the plus minus, right?
Yeah. That's one scalar.
Then after that you just have the h plus 4, or this one, yeah, plus 4, right? Right?
Oh yeah. But I can't be
Mm.
negative 31 plus 4 because H must
Mm.
be positive.
Okay, yep. So basically you have to check whether this is a positive value or negative value, then reject accordingly. So 5, 25, yeah, thanks. So you need to reject this because H is positive. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, good.
Okay.
And probably let me share a question with you when it comes to this question, like a similar one. Um, I was, I mean, I shouldn't be surprised. I shouldn't be surprised, but somehow I was a little bit surprised. I'm going to give you the question. Okay, where did I put the question? Okay, never mind. So they have questions like this. Let's assume this is 60. Then they have this is 8. And this is 10. And they ask you to find this angle. Yes, I will find this angle M. Yeah. Okay. So sine rule doesn't work. Do you know why?
It's
Because
cosine rule first, right? Find the length of
very good. Yeah. So very
this,
good.
and then after you can
So
use sine rule.
cosine rule is one method to do it. Okay. But I realized, right? Okay, if you know cosine rule, of course you use cosine rule. But what if you don't know cosine rule? Actually, there is another approach to this question. So let me just get the question like let me do it this way first. Hold on.
Is
This
it
is
you split it into two nine two?
yes. I plan to do I plan to like give an extra straight line so that I split it into two right angle triangle. Okay, so I can use to simple Tokaso. Okay, so um, so over here your O, this is your A, right? So you have sine 60 is equal to your O over H, which is O over 8. So your O is equal to 8 times sine 60. So if they want exact value, so it's 8 times sine 60. This is special angle, right? So sine 60 is a special angle is I think is equal to square root 3 over 2. So therefore it's also 4 square root 3. Can you help me check this answer? This one.
Sine 60.
Yeah.
Sine 60 is square it 3 over 4. Yeah, should be root 3 over 2.
Yeah, thanks. So therefore your opposite is actually, I mean the opposite is actually 4 square root 3 in this case. So you continue to do the adjacent, which is A over H. Cosine 60, can you help me out?
Sine 60 is half.
Yes, 9. So A equals to 4, right?
Yep.
So the entire length is 10. So therefore this is 6, right?
Yeah.
So therefore you can continue to use the Pythagoras theorem to get this one already, which is 6 square plus 4 square root 3 square is equal to your, this one C square, right? So this is 36. This one is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. So this
Okay.
is 84, and then this C square. So C is equal to, of course, I need to reject the negative 1. Yeah? So on negative square root 84, reject. So this is square root 84. So for square root 84 is 2 and, okay, let me just prime factorization. So 84 to 22 to 11, right? Oh no, 42, 21. So it's 3, 7. So it's 2, 21, yeah. Okay?
Okay.
So once you get this 2 square root 21, then you just write it down here. 2 square root 21, and then you can use the sine rule already, right? Yes. So sine 60 over the 2 square root 21 is equal to sine, because they want to find m here, right? So sine m over 8. Yes. Okay? So that's how you can find m if you don't want to use cosine rule. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, cosine rule is not very hard to apply, but just don't know because these days I'm going to Bukit Merah Secondary School, and then some of the students they just can't. It's pretty hard to apply the cosine rule. It's harder than the sine rule. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So for those who don't want to use the cosine rule, they can use this. Yes. All right. Good. So that's it. I think the other time, right? You asked me how we apply the half A B sine angle C. You remember that? Are you the one who asked me this to find the area of the
What's
triangle?
this? Oh,
Are you the one?
I don't think I asked it. It's just the angle in between
Oh yeah.
the sine
Yes.
C.
If you use this, okay. If you use this, right, the formula to find the area of triangle, yes, is the angle in between. But actually, you don't need to use this then, but you still can find the area of the any triangle. So I have been using this. I have not been using this. So for me to find the height, right, I just use the Tokaso. Then I have the base, so it's 10 times 4 square root 3 and then half. So this is the area of the triangle for this one. Actually, the formula here is a derivative of this idea here. You find the height here. If you can see, but if you cannot see, it's okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So yes, yeah, good that we are exploring further. Okay, good. Next. Oh, it says my. Do you know I'm using my iPhone as my camera or my webcam?
I don't see you on the
Okay,
camera.
never mind. Now you don't see me because I need to charge my phone. So I put my phone away. Now I think you can see me now. Let me see if you can see me. Can you see me? Okay, right. Let me just turn it on. Turn it on again. Okay, so let me just double check. Okay, so let me fix it. While you look for the page that you want to talk about, then see the camera is off. I don't know why. This is so interesting. Oh, I turn it off. Yeah. Okay, I think you can see me now, right? I think you can even see my background. Interesting.
Yeah.
You can see my background, right?
Yeah.
Why they show you my background already? Why I cannot use the? I don't know how to go back to that the blur my whatever mode already. Sorry.
I think it's in the three dots.
In the three dots. Yeah, I know it's in the three dots, but
In apply visual effects.
I only see settings,
Oh,
Yeah, but never
so
mind.
my three dots is the whole.
It's okay. Okay, you see the funny thing? Let me show you funny thing.
Why is it moving?
Yeah, I mean, I'm moving, and I hope you can see my background is also moving with me. Can you see?
Yeah, it is.
Can you see that? So this is called
Yeah.
center stage. So they are, I mean, the camera somehow tries to put me in the center. Interesting, huh?
Oh,
Interesting,
is
right?
this the camera doing it or the
The
your
camera
brain?
somehow sense my movement, then somehow just maybe due to some AI, they like to talk about artificial intelligence. They sense your movement, then somehow they just adjust it accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah, but okay, never mind. Never mind if you can't appreciate it, it's okay. But it's good if you can. Yeah. Okay, good. But hopefully you don't feel dizzy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think I'll be fine.
yeah, good. I know you have no time to look at the camera. Just like when I'm doing a question, I have no time to look at the camera. Okay, good. So next please. Yes. You know the funny thing, I can even show you dash view. I have not tried it. Okay, let me try the dash view. See how it works.
Where's I mean?
Yeah. Wow, it's good to explore all this. Yeah. I'm still young, yeah. Okay, so let me try how to do the dash view. Okay, I'm going to start dash view. Can you see that?
No, I only see you.
Ah, okay. I know why it doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Sorry, I know why it doesn't work. Never mind. Okay, I'm going to
Okay.
the dash view doesn't work for Google. Sorry. Never
Oh.
mind.
Oh, what's desk view in for? Is it just to show what's on your desk?
Oh no. Okay. So they talk about this it's like when you are doing Zoom, right? Like now, right? And then we
Yeah.
need to use the, let's say if I want to show you how to arrange the cards, like let's say I have four cards and I do like some magic tricks. It's hard to teach you. Okay, so for example, okay, I'm gonna like do it on this mirror. So let's say if I need to I have four cards. Yeah, let's say I have four cards. And I want to show you a magic trick. I can't do a magic here, right? So imagine
Uh,
if you can see my desk instead of this, then yeah, then you get to see how I do the magic, and then you guess the card, and then magic. Never
okay,
mind,
so it is
never
just
mind.
showing your desk, huh?
Yes, yes. Show my desk instead of, I mean, my desk and then my hands movement, and instead of
Oh, okay.
yeah, yes. Some people they just like pen and paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some teachers, you don't expect them to write on Miro, okay? They don't know what's Miro. They don't know how to, they don't have a stylus. They only have a pen and paper, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Recently, I'm going to the Bukit Secondary School, and then my my colleague, or the one that I kind of like have a good relationship with, is a 70 plus years old teacher, retired teacher. So you don't expect him to do this Miro with you, okay?
Oh, wait, if he's retired, how come he's at the school?
Retired, but come back and teach.
Oh, as a
Relief.
volunteer?
Relief.
Oh, okay.
Relief. They call it the adjunct scheme, adjunct teacher scheme. Yep. Next page, please. Oh, I lost your cursor. Okay, yeah.
Page,
Page
um,
8 ah. Question 8 is
yeah,
it?
question 8.
Okay, good. Yeah. So where you want to put your
Uh,
page?
it's below here.
Oh, sure. And let's say if you have the worksheets, right, and you ask them to like maybe scan it and then upload it, they might as well just like do it like with the desk view, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
By the way, I'm not laughing at them. I'm just telling you like there is an option for them. So
Yeah.
yeah, who knows? Maybe next time when I reach like 70 plus and I'll say, hey, just do a desk view.
Maybe that few won't even be a thing if you're 70 plus.
I don't know. Okay, nice idea. Find the range of P, so you need to use the discriminant. Yeah. Are you going to continue or you stop here?
No, I'm just gonna use my calculator to find the.
Ah, okay. You can get rid of the 4, I guess. So it's just P squared minus 2P minus 8 smaller than this. So 2 and 4,
Yeah,
right? So simple, yeah. Right?
yeah.
And then you have to, so P squared, so this is a positive. This is a positive coefficient, so it's a smile face. So you have this
In between.
minus 2 and 4. So it's smaller than 0. That's why you shade below, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yeah, yes. Okay, good. Nice. Next, yeah.
Then to show,
Show that the line will
let me
intersect the
check the
curve at two
flow.
distinct points.
So I use b squared minus 4ac divided in 0.
Yeah, yes.
So I have. No, I need to equate the two first.
You need to equate the two first, yeah. Then you pick the ABC out. Okay. My this background is back, right? I guess.
Oh, wait. Yeah,
Yeah, maybe.
kind of.
Yeah, I should change my background. Okay. Yeah, night time. Yeah. That's good. This is good, yeah. It's night time already, yeah. No, it's not back. Oh, never mind. It's not back. Yeah.
Oh. 80 plus 16 is always lesser than 0. You know, it could also be larger than 0.
So what you end up with, by the way?
I need to prove that my equation is always larger than 0.
Yeah. So in a way, right, you don't assume it's bigger than 0 first in that case, right? So you just do your b squared minus 4ac, which is okay. Let me see. This is okay. Let me just tidy up a little. Oh, it's x cubed, right? Wait,
Oh,
you
wait.
end up with x cubed?
No, sorry.
Yeah.
You know, the original one I put x cubed everywhere.
What?
X squared. Everything should be squared.
Oh, yeah, it should be x squared, yeah.
It's
So you take out the x, you get 1 minus 2p, right? 1 minus 2p, and then you have this p minus 2. Yeah, so this is the you equate you sub in this to it. So therefore you have b squared minus 4ac. So this is your b squared, right? And then you have this minus 4ac, which is your this is plus, right? Then you have this let me just, this is 8, so it's minus 8p is plus 16, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So you open it, right? So you open it 1 square minus 4p plus 4p square, right? Minus 8p plus 16. Then you have this 17 and minus 12p, then plus the 4p square, right?
Wait, but why do you need to expand out 1 minus 2p squared?
Okay, let's say if you don't, then what you end up with?
Because 1 minus 2p squared is always going to be positive, right? So we can just only separate it out.
Yeah, but
And
okay,
just write with
okay,
negative 2p
if
plus
this is
16.
always positive, which I agree with you, but how do you explain this?
It's always
So
negative.
is it related? So it's negative 2 to, hold on. Find the range of value for which you recognize your, then you have no way to explain this is less than,
It is for the
more than
range of
0.
p.
Huh?
Cos p is only from negative 2 to 4. So for negative 1, you'll end up
Mm-hmm.
with,
Mm-hmm.
you know,
When you have 4 is smaller than 0 already. I mean, we should get more than 0, right? I don't think it's related. And I think that this question wants you to expand it out and simplify and do the computing square.
Oh.
And then to prove that it's always bigger than 0. Okay, can you sketch this out? Okay, never mind. I sketch this out. If this is always above 0, that means it's always positive. Never mind. I quickly sketch it out on my side. I can use the y equal 17 minus 12x plus 4x squared. Let me see. What? They don't give me a curve. Oh, yes. So I key this in, I get this curve. Let me send you so you know what I'm talking about. So what they want you to do is they want you to use the computing square. But of course, this is another way to show the always positive. Okay, so I've uploaded this thing. Can you see over here?
Yeah.
So I try to sketch this out, which is here. So can you see that the lowest point is actually 8?
Yeah.
Yep. So therefore, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you computing square this one, of course it take a lot of time, but too bad they like to. I mean, your school like to do this to you. Okay, so you just complete square this one is right. So you have 1.5 1.5 square is 2.25, right? Can you help me out with 17/4? What's the decimal number?
17 over 4. 4.25.
4.25. So you have you introduce the plus 1.2 plus 2.25, you need minus. So where should be minus? So continue. Then you have plus 2, right? Then you put it in. Yeah, exactly like what the graph show. Okay, the minimum value is 8. So you reason out. This is always I mean, it's always positive or bigger than 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, this whole thing is bigger than plus 8. I'm sorry. So it's this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is exactly what the graph shows me. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So therefore, yeah, b squared plus that is it's always positive or something. What the question asks? Show that intersect. Yes. So two distinct point. So therefore, you can discriminant is bigger or equal to 8, right? Right. No, sorry. It's bigger or equal to 0. Bigger or equal to 8. So that means it's definitely bigger than 0. Sorry, not equal to 0. Yeah. So therefore, two distinct points. Yeah. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, with this, probably we can take a break, then we come back in a while.
Okay.
Yeah, see you. Yes.